Well, hello. My name is Jeffrey A. Solitech, and I've been using computers since the 70s and had a website back in 1994. Back then, I was paying like $1,200 a month for hosting, and there was no shopping cart, and I didn't have an email address. I have been following internet marketing since 1996, so if you want to learn anything about this, or web design, or programming, or anything else, just keep on following all my blog posts, my videos, and my Facebook account. You can look me up at Jeffrey A. Solitech on Facebook. Now today I'm going to show you a fast way to get yourself a site without any coding whatsoever. Now the site is going to need a database done in MySQL, but again, this is going to be done automatically for you. Now first you're going to need a domain name. If you want to come off as a professional, then you definitely need your own domain. You could use a service like GoDaddy, where the price to register a domain might cost less than what it will cost you at an alternate host. But again, GoDaddy is going to want you to host with them, and they're going to charge you for a lot of extra services. I use HostGator myself, and I'm thinking about also possibly using Bluehost. And the hosting is less than $5 per month. Now the price for a domain name is $12 and something cents per year. But you know, with GoDaddy you might save $5 for an account name, but then you're going to pay full price after that first year, and you're going to pay a lot more for your hosting costs. Right now for hosting I'm paying less than $5 per month. Now, nice thing about HostGator and with Bluehost is you get access to what's called cPanel, control panel. And once you get in there, you're going to go all the way down to the software section, and you're going to click on Fantastico, or sometimes it's called Fantastico Deluxe. Then you see over here on the left-hand side, you see a lot of options for CMS systems. And you're going to want to click on WordPress, which will take to this screen right here, and we're going to want to do a new install on WordPress, which is, let's see, where does it say? WordPress update, install version, at some place in here it's going to tell you, ask if you want to do a new install, and that's what you want. Changed a little bit. Usually it just gives you a list of all the different available. I'm installing it on my jeffreysolitech.com, and the next screen it's going to ask you, actually not on the same screen, it's going to ask you if you want to install it in a certain directory. If you're just going to install it in a root directory, just leave this field blank. I'm installing in a directory called blogs. I'll put that in here. Then it's going to ask you to choose a username, admin name. I just use my first initial and my last name. Then it's going to ask you for a password. Now with passwords, you can have something auto-generated, which is guaranteed to be hack-proof if it's auto-generated. Or you can create your own, maybe like a street that you grew up on with the first letter capital. Then after that, maybe the street number or something like that, or last four of your social. Anyways, the auto-generated password is your best choice, but this would be your second choice, which is also very good. Choosing a password in just one word with no caps and some of that, hackers will be able to figure that one out pretty quickly. So after that, it's going to ask you to choose your domain name. Then it's going to ask you to enter in a site name and a description, which are important, but you can also do that once you get your WordPress installed. It's also going to ask you for an email address. Now you could use something like your Gmail account, but you want an email basically that's not going to be amongst a lot of junk emails. I've got my own email address, and I use Outlook for that. And I created a folder specifically for WordPress, so I can put all my WordPress emails there. Which is, you know, anytime I want to go over a WordPress email, I'll just go into that WordPress folder. Makes it a lot easier rather than having to scroll through hundreds of emails. Because with a lot of services like Yahoo and Gmail and Hotmail and all that kind of stuff, you get a lot of junk. Anyways, once you get all that set up, it's going to take you to what's called the WordPress dashboard. Okay, and actually to get here, see right up here, I've got my domain name, jeffreysolitech.com/blog, and then /wp-admin, which will take you to the admin area. It's going to first ask you for a password, username and a password, which you defined in your initial setup. And then once we're there, you're going to want to choose a theme. Here's the installed themes right here. And you can choose whatever theme you want. Also, WordPress.org site has thousands of themes you can choose from. Now here, I've got this theme activated, and I can customize that right here. If I choose a new theme, I can click on Activate That, and just basically click on Customize. If I want to add a new theme, I'll just click right here, and I can search on anything. Now you're going to want a responsive theme. That's my personal choice, because that way it'll work on your mobile device and stuff like that. Let me see if I put responsive here. It comes up. Responsive. See, I'm a type typist, so I'm part of college. I got a bad grade with some typing, so. Anyways, I chose responsive themes, and it gives me all these different options down here. Okay, which is a good thing. And I can click on the details of this, and right below it's going to show me a little bit more details. Yeah, you want something that's at least 3.5 stars. The more stars, the better. And if I want to preview it, I can go right here, click on preview, and pull up another window, which is going to show what the domain is going to look like. Okay, this one is very basic here. Looks like, but see, it goes on the phone and it goes on the tablet, so that's good. I'm going to close this for now. Now you can choose to install it from here too, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to close, and then we're going to want to go to plugins. Okay, I'm going to choose the installed plugins just to show you what I have already installed. These, I think, are a necessity. It does everything that I want it to do. Like right here, I've got an all-in-one SEO pack, which is supposed to be the #1 SEO pack out there. It probably has like 5 stars. Then I choose a default blog, which is basically plugins allow you to add features and capabilities to your site. I can have one down here, which is called Facebook All, which gives me allows my visitors to comment, to log in, to register, and to share with Facebook and Google+. And then there's another one down here, the MoneyPress eBay edition and Amazon edition, which will display auctions and other recommendations on my site. And every time somebody buys from one of those recommendations, I get a commission, which is good. Guarantee you're going to want to make some money from your online marketing efforts. Now I'm going to try to keep this video real short for you, but again, I'm going to do another video on product creation, that basically, before you can outsource it all, another video on WordPress, knowing the ins and outs. And since I've had to look at a lot of video software, like right now I'm using Camtasia, but I've used Google Hangouts and a couple other details. I'm going to do a report just on that, with a video on my recommendations on what's going to save you some money. It'll save you a lot of money, actually. But anyway, my name is Jeffrey A. Solitech. The A is important because there's 2 Jeffrey Solitechs in the state of Florida. Kind of ironic, so. But anyways, that's it for this video, and I will be having many more videos in the future. So I will talk to you later.